Nanotechnology is a technology executed on the scale of less than 100 nanometers, the goal of which is to control individual atoms and molecules. It's the science, engineering, and technology conducted at the nanoscale often described as an emerging technology.
There are two main approaches to nanotechnology, the top-down and bottom-up approach. The top-down approach refers to slicing or successive cutting of a bulk material to get nano-sized particles. The bottom-up approach refers to the buildup of a material from the bottom, atom by atom, molecule by molecule, or even cluster by cluster.
By building structures the size of molecules, their properties can get engineered in a way that wouldn't ordinarily exist. The thesis of nanotechnology is that almost any chemically stable structure that can be specified can in fact be built. This possibility was first advanced by Richard Feynman in 1959, who went on to win the 1965 Nobel Prize in Physics.
The first lecture on nanotechnology was also given by Feynman, which took the field several steps forward. The term nanotechnology was not yet defined until 1974 when Tokyo Science University professor Norio Taniguchi was the first to use the term. This is when nanotechnology, in a way, was discovered. For an idea of how small it is, there are 25,400,000 nanometers in 1 inch. A sheet of newspaper is about 100,000 nanometers thick.
To put the nanoscale into perspective, take a Timbit and start slicing it into smaller and smaller pieces so that every single Canadian, about 35 million of us, can hold a piece of that treat. And those tiny pieces are still a little bigger than a nanoparticle.
There are numerous ways nanotechnology is being used. In medicine and healthcare, it is used to treat cancer cells, directly targeting them and preventing surrounding tissue from damage, allowing patients to undergo treatment with less pain and damage to their body.
In addition, spaceflight and exploration has the potential to become a more practical endeavor due to nanotechnology. With NASA support, nanotechnology can be used to create strong, lightweight structures, reducing cost of fuel and space travel. Nanotechnology has the potential to impact every area of society. Frank Gu, a researcher from University of Waterloo, believes that the possibilities are endless with nanotechnology. The more we research and experiment with nanoparticle engineering, the greater things we can create.